About this item: growing hard plug and play JSAUX 3.5mm male jack to 1/4 inch male cable connects smartphones, tablets, iPod, or headphones with standard 3.5mm ports to audio devices with a 6.35mm stereo port. E.g., piano keyboard to 3.5mm adapter, guitar to speaker adapter, amplifier to headphones adapter, 6.35mm headphones to computer adapter. Growing hard hi-fi sound quality to 4K gold-plated connector, pure silver wire core, pure copper shell which provides reliable performance and reducing signal loss. Growing hard incredibly durable 15000 plus bend lifespan and double braided nylon exterior make audio cables adding to the durability and tangle-free. Growing hard superb fit male to male auxiliary cord works perfectly for all devices with standard 3.5mm and 6.35mm auxiliary jack and auxiliary in port, like a mixing console, home theater devices, and amplifiers. Growing hard what you get: nylon braided 4 feet /1.2mm JSAUX premium auxiliary audio cable, zinc alloy case and double layer nylon braid guards against harsh installs where the cable is tugged across sharp edges, protecting it from being scratched. In the description to get this product today at the best price. About this item: growing hard plug and play